The Citroen C3 Campervan is not a model of campervan that Citroen actually manufactures. The 2026 Citroen C3 Campervan very certainly refers to a third-party adaptation of the Citroen C3 hatchback. Because of the C3's small size, the conversion into a campervan will be extremely simple and concentrate on practicality for short trips or car camping. As a result, this vehicle will not have a standard factory exterior design. We can, however, see a few external components that third parties may add or alter. Pop-up roofs, which offer more sleeping space on top of the vehicle when parked, are a popular addition to tiny automobiles that have been transformed into campervans. When raised, the pop-up roof will drastically alter the regular C3's silhouette. Awnings on the side, awnings made of fabric that are fastened to the side of the car to create a shaded space outdoors. Roof racks for transporting extra gear, such bikes, surfboards, or storage bins. Changes to the rear windows possibly swapped out for open windows or equipped with vents. Decals or graphics for campers a more adventurous appearance. Some converts may choose somewhat thicker tires or more durable rim designs if they intend to utilize the car on less difficult terrain. The basic color will be the same as the usual C3 color selections, although some converters could let you add wraps with an outdoor theme or repaint. Considering the C3's small inside, potential ideas may include a kitchen or storage unit that can be mounted to the side or back of the car while it is stopped. The inside of the Citroen C3 Campervan 2026 will be mostly determined by the vehicle base that is utilized and the modifications made by the body firm or person. If the Citroen C3 hatchback is the basis, the inside of the C3 hatchback to campervan conversion will be extremely minimalistic and space-efficient because to its small size. Foldable rear seats that may be made into a little bed for one or two persons. There can be a fold-out mattress or another thin mattress. A small portable burner, gas or electric, and sometimes a little storage area for cooking supplies make up a portable mini kitchen. Because of space limitations, a permanent sink is unlikely to exist. Little storage bins in a spare area or beneath the bed. It will be crucial to use flexible storage bags or hanging organizers. Chairs for working or eating, or little tables that can be folded down from the wall. Basic electrical systems. Perhaps a little spare battery for charging cell phones or LED lights inside. Window coverings or curtains for seclusion. Citroen C3 Aircross. As a model, the C3 Aircross has a little more internal space than other small SUVs, which makes conversions a little more roomy. A fold-out couch bed system or rear seats that can be folded flat to provide a more comfortable bed. A compact kitchen could have a tiny sink with a transportable water tank, a single or two burner stove, and a kitchen module that can be fitted within or removed from the trunk. Additional storage drawers or little cabinets that are included into the design. Folding table, a more substantial, sturdy table. More intricate electrical systems include bigger extra batteries, inverters, and maybe a basic control panel. For extra sleeping space, some more ambitious adaptations can incorporate a pop-up roof.